Hi everybody. I'm doing a different kind of video today. God willing, every day I will do one chapter of this book. It's called Kashrut in the Kitchen. It's a Sefardi Sefer. It's for Sefardim. My cousin gave it to me as a gift. So I'm going to read a chapter now. It's called Kashrut in the Kitchen, a comprehensive question and answer guide to the halachot of meat and milk by Rabbi Shmuel Asayag and Rabbi A. Weisenfeld. This is what the cover looks like, guys. Everybody see it? I'll hold it out further. Like that. Okay. Chapter 1. Section 1. Separating between meat and dairy. Chapter 1. The prohibition of cooking meat and milk. The Torah injunction against mixing meat and milk is derived from the words Lo tavshol gedi b'chalav amav. You must not cook a kid, young animal, in its mother's milk. The Torah repeats these words 3 times to teach us that there are 3 separate prohibitions. 1. Cooking, bishul. One may not cook meat and milk together. 2. Eating, achila. One may not eat meat and milk that were cooked together. 3. Benefiting, hana'a. One may not benefit from meat and milk that were cooked together. The Torah prohibits eating and benefiting from mixtures of meat and milk only if they have been cooked together. However, Chazal prohibit eating even uncooked mixtures, but one may benefit from them. Cooking meat and milk together includes, for example, cooking meat in ben yamo dairy pot, cutting hot meat in a kli rishon with a ben yomo dairy knife, or inserting a ben yomo dairy ladle into a pot in which a meat soup is cooking. If any of the above situations, if the volume of food is less than 60 times the volume of the utensil, the result is halachically equivalent to cooking meat and milk together. Consequently, one may not benefit from the mixture. Cooking meat and milk together. 1. What forms of cooking are included in the Torah prohibition? That's the question. The answer. Any normal manner of cooking, such as boiling, broiling, or frying. If meat and milk were cooked together with any of these methods, one may not eat or benefit from the mixture. If meat and cheese were barbecued or roasted together, one may not eat from the mixture. However, a Rav should be consulted as to whether one may benefit from it or not. Question 2. What about other forms of cooking? Answer. The poskim differ on whether other types of cooking, such as smoking or immersion in hot springs, are forbidden by the Torah or by rabbinical decree. However, solar cooking is only a rabbinical decree and one may benefit from it if it was done. Question 3. May one salt or pickle meats and milk together? Answer. Yes, since salting or pickling is not actually cooking. However, the resulting mixture may not be eaten, but one may benefit from it. Subsequent cooking of this mixture, however, is forbidden by the Torah. Question 4. May one marinate meat in milk? Answer. Meat marinated in milk for at least 24 hours is forbidden only rabbinically. Although the meat and milk have flavored each other, they have not been cooked together. Question 5. What about cooking in an oven or microwave? Answer. Many poskim rule that baking or microwaving meat and milk violates the Torah prohibition. Those who disagree rule that, although forbidden, one may benefit from that mixture. Due to the complexity of the subject, any question should be directed to a Rav. Question 6. How hot must the cooking temperature be to transgress the Torah prohibition of cooking meat and milk? Answer. A food or liquid that one will refrain from eating or drinking because of the intensity of its heat, which according to some opinions can be as low as 149 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius, is considered hot. The temperature in halachic terms is called Yad Soledad Bo, in which cooking and transfer of taste begins. Question 7. How long must meat and milk cook together to transgress the prohibition? Answer. Authorities dispute whether one violates the prohibition only if the food is fully cooked or even if it is merely 1/3 cooked. The poskim conclude that one should follow the latter opinion. Consequently, one may not benefit from any meat-milk mixture that was 1/3 cooked. If it is cooked less than that, one may not eat it, though others benefits are permitted. Question 8. If meat and milk were cooked separately, may one recook them together? The answer? No. Question 9. If meat and milk were cooked together and cooled, may they be reheated? Answer. They should not be reheated. So, in other words, technically you could reheat them together, but they should not be reheated. Question 10. May one cook meat and milk together if he does not own them? Answer. No. Question 11. May one cook meat and milk together if he does not intend to eat the mixture? Answer. No. The cooking is itself forbidden, regardless of whether it is eaten. Question 12. May one give meat and milk to a non-Jew to cook together? Answer. No, even if the mixture will be eaten by a non-Jew. Additionally, one may not even tell a non-Jew. Take meat and cheese and cook them together for lunch. Question 13. If a Jew works in a non-Jewish home, may he warm up dinner for the family? Answer. No, one must not light a fire under the family's pots or place the food in an oven or microwave, lest he unknowingly cooked meat and milk. Similarly, in one's own home, he should not warm up his non-Jewish or non-observant maid's food unless he is certain it does not contain meat and dairy. Question 14. May a Jewish chef cook meat and milk for non-Jews? Answer. No. As mentioned, one may not cook meat and milk together even if he does not intend to eat it. Question 15. What if one simply mixes cold meat and milk? Answer. The rabbis prohibited eating such a mixture. However, it is permissible to benefit from it. Therefore, one is permitted to work in an establishment where this is part of his job requirement. Question 16. What if meat or milk that was unfit for human consumption was cooked with milk or meat? Answer. The mixture may not be eaten, but one may benefit from it. Question 17. May one wash meat and dairy, dirty tablecloths together in hot water? Answer. Yes. One need not worry that the hot water will cook any meat and dairy particles that might be stuck to the tablecloths. Eating meat and milk together. Question 18. May one eat milk and meat that were inadvertently cooked together or cooked by a non-Jew? No. Question 19. May one eat meat and milk together without cooking them together? Answer. Although one transgresses the Torah prohibition only when the meat and milk have been cooked together, it is rabbinically prohibited to eat them together, even if they have not been cooked together. Benefiting from meat and milk mixtures. 20. Question 20. What is the halacha if one mistakenly cooked meat and milk? Answer. Aside from the Torah prohibitions of cooking and eating such a mixture, one is forbidden to benefit from it. Therefore, one must discard it without benefit. It should be thrown away in the garbage, flushed down the toilet, or buried. It should not be burned, yet if it was, one may not benefit from its ashes. Question 21. May one feed a mixture of cooked meat and milk to animals? Answer. No, not even to stray animals, since one derives pleasure from feeding them. Question 22. Does pet food require a hechsher to make sure it contains no meat and milk? Answer. No, checking the ingredients is sufficient. Nonetheless, a Rav should be consulted regarding which brands to watch out for. Question 23. May one sell meat and milk that were cooked together? Answer. No. However, if he did sell them, he may benefit from the proceeds of the sale. Question 24. If one mistakenly purchased a can of soup containing meat and dairy, may he return it? Answer. Yes. Since the purchase was a mistake, returning it and getting a refund is not considered benefiting from it. Question 25. If one mistakenly cooked meat and milk together, may he sell the tarif yat to a non-Jew? Answer. Yes. This is not considered having benefit from meat and milk. One need not worry that a Jew will buy the pot from the non-Jew, thinking it is brand new, because one buys cookware which is no longer in its original packaging. He assumes it is used. Alternatively, of course, one can simply kosher the pot. Question 26. If a non-Jew cooked kosher meat and milk together, may a Jew benefit from it? Answer. No. Question 27. May one give a rabbinically forbidden mixture of meat and milk from which one may benefit to a non-Jew? Answer. Yes, but only to a non-Jew he knows. Question 28. If meat and milk were cooked together, must one immediately remove the mixture from his house? Answer. No. Question 29. May one own stock in a non-kosher restaurant? Answer. A Rav should be consulted. Types of meat and milk that may not be cooked together. Question 30. Which species of animals are included in this prohibition? Answer. Although the Torah states you must not cook a kid in its mother's milk, the prohibition includes the meat of cattle and sheep cooked in the milk of a cow, ewe, or goat. However, the meat and milk of other kosher animals or non-kosher animals does not fall under the Torah prohibition. Regarding non-kosher animals, when there is no possibility of merit inyan, i.e. if no one will think he is cooking kosher meat and milk together. One may cook meat and milk when one or both are non-kosher. Question 31. Does this prohibition apply to poultry? Answer. The Torah did not prohibit cooking a mixture of poultry and milk, but Chazal did, lest people mistakenly conclude that just as one may cook or eat poultry with milk, one may cook or eat meat with milk. Thus, one may not cook or eat poultry and milk together, but one may benefit from such a mixture. Question 32. Is human milk included in the prohibition? Answer. No. However, it may not be cooked with meat as the resulting mixture looks forbidden. Nevertheless, if human milk spilled on meat, the meat may be eaten if the milk is not noticeable. Okay, everybody, that's chapter 1. I'll see you tomorrow for chapter 2. Have a great night, and I hope you enjoyed this video.